I've been looking for a way to store my bulky winter items and I finally found it. These vacuum bags were sent to me and I've been able to win some space back. Between winter throw pillows, extra blankets, and coats scattered all over my house, there's never enough room for a bin and definitely not enough room in the closet. I fit 2 large electric blankets in this jumbo-sized bag, way more than I thought it would hold. There's also medium and large-sized bags if you got smaller stuff, like clothes or a couple pillows. You want to lay everything in flat and neat instead of stuffing it, which helps it seal better, and this material is genuinely thick. You want to make sure it's totally sealed. That's the one part that matters the most. It comes with plastic sealing clips that clips onto the track and slides across to actually lock it in shut. Then you just click the pump on and watch. You can actually see that the air pulling out and the bag just keeps shrinking down until there's nothing left but the blankets. Make sure to keep the air outlet clear. Don't let your items block the valve. Now I can stack everything neatly in the closet and don't even need a bin. If you want to open it back up mid-season, you want to repump it to reseal. If you want something that seals tight, holds up to bulky items, and helps you organize and get your space back, this is the ideal fix. Now it's time to start on the clothes.